Let's see how you can change the language on Instagram from English to Spanish, Chinese, Arabic, and back to English using your iPhone or Android. For that, first you have to open up your Instagram, then go to your profile, tap this hamburger menu, and scroll down and go for language and press continue. And here you will find the language option. Just select it, then choose your preferred one. And you will see it switching into that new language. Isn't it really cool? The process is exactly same on your Android. And lastly, to switch back to English, just follow the same steps. Head to settings, find the language icon and tap it and choose English from the list. Isn't it real easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.